Alright, so for December 15th and 16th, you're going to have two similar assignments that you're going to complete. So one of them this should already be in your folder in Schoology. It is going to be a Declaration of Independence Part 1 Nearpod that you're going to complete, and it looks like this. Basically, we are talking about how the Declaration of Independence and how this is going to be the breakup letter or breaking off of Mexico from Texas. Here you're going to have some questions that you're going to answer, and what you think it means to be fair, how fairness is defined. So make sure you're going through and answering, these questions if you did not get a chance to do that during class. This is something that we went over during class. So here we have the grievances. What does the Declaration of Independence look like? The complaints. Basically what the Declaration, the complaints it had, the grievances, what things that, the Texas settlers had issues with. So whenever you finish this Nearpod, the assignment for the next day, which is December 16th, is going to be a part 2 that is in Schoology. This is student pace. So this is something that you can do on your own. Alright, we're basically going through, answering the questions. You will either have a quiz or a time to climb, depending on your teacher. You have a few of the open-ended questions that you can complete. Alright, so whenever you go through this, make sure that you are answering all the questions. I'm sorry, this one. Whenever you go through all the questions, and make sure that you're answering everything to receive full credit, and it will be for a grade. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers and let them know. And that is what you are doing for Tuesday and Wednesday.